Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Rick Titus, and I'm one of the sales and leasing consultants here, and I would like to take you out in the lot today to show you one of our new arrivals. Here we have a 2016 Honda Pilot Touring. It has a clean Carfax report with only one previous owner and comes equipped with power heated side mirrors with signals, roof rails, deep tinted glass, and much more. When it comes to three-row SUVs that offer modern amenities, plenty of room for large families, and surprising efficiency, the 2016 Honda Pilot is at the top of the list. This Pilot has 20-inch alloy wheels with machined accents and performance tires with lots of tread left. There's also a spare tire, splash guards, and a tire-specific low tire pressure warning system for convenience and safety. As you can see, this Pilot is in great condition. It has a fully automatic projector beam halogen daytime running headlamps with delay off, along with fog lights, speed sensitive wipers, and a really nice chrome grille to tie it all together. Under the hood, you have a 6-cylinder 3.5 liter engine with an automatic transmission. This Pilot has automatic full-time all-wheel drive, and it's estimated that drivers receive 22 miles per gallon on the average. Let's not forget that this Pilot only has 673,000 miles on it. At the back of the Pilot, you can see the antenna, the lip spoiler with a high mount light and rear wiper, along with the tow package, large brake lights, and sleek badging. Using your key fob, you can open the power liftgate for easy access to the cargo area. Looking to the cargo area, you see it is very spacious and the back seats fold down easily for more space as needed. This cargo area features a durable floor mat, power outlet, and cargo lights for packing and unpacking at night. This Pilot even has a very comfortable third row seating option for carpooling with family and friends. Passengers in the second row will be excited to find the drop-down video screen and their own climate controls. They can use the fold-down armrest with cup holders and the power outlets, as well as the seat back pockets. There are also child safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is well appointed with nice chrome and metallic accents. Drivers will be very comfortable in the power adjustable heated leather seating with memory. You have a very large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and another power outlet. This Pilot is also equipped with garage door opener, a lock and glove box, and push button start. Here are the easy to reach controls for the power side mirrors, the power liftgate, the driver memory seat, the power door locks with auto lock, and the power windows with front row express up and down. This Pilot has a very comfortable tilting and telescoping leather-wrapped steering wheel with on-wheel controls for cruise, audio, and Bluetooth features. It is also equipped with a very well-lit instrument cluster. Now here's a feature everyone can enjoy, the tilting and sliding power moonroof. The center stack is home to your multimedia and navigation features and is paired with 9 speakers and a subwoofer. This includes your classic AM/FM radio, it's MP3 Sirius XM and Bluetooth compatible, and you can easily connect devices using the USB and aux ports. This advanced system even has voice recognition. You also have dual zone automatic climate control, and everything is easy to use. Take a look at this backup camera. It is very clear and has guidelines to make backing up a breeze. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at sparkstoyota.com. Thank you.